In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset or reinstall the Microsoft Store application on your Acer laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So if you're having problems with it, in today's tutorial, we're going to hopefully resolve them. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back to settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says System. And then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says System Components. And then over here on the right, you want to locate Microsoft Store in this list. You may also need to search for it at the top if you have a lot of components installed. Select the three-dotted icon next to it that says More Options when you hover over it, and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down underneath Reset, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected. Select Repair, give it a moment. And once you have that check mark, you can close out of here, attempt to relaunch your Microsoft Store, and hopefully you're good to go. If not, you can select the second option here where the system component still isn't working right. Reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Give that a moment here. And then once that's done, you have a check mark. You can just close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.